Question 21, personally, I think is the most difficult questions in this paper. And then it's because of some reason that we not always use. So they say there is a triangle like this intersect with a circle, and then this angle QPR is 38 degree. And then moreover, they say that AB, CD, EF are all the same distance. Here you have to think about what is the implication of all this distance are the same. For this circle, AB is something we call chord. So, which means that they have all equal chords. And then, if you brainstorm any implication here, you can say that, oh, that's why this is equal distance. Equal chords, then we have the equal distance from center with all 90 degree. So the situation is a little bit look like tangent from external point. So here we find out some, we focus on this part, and then we find out some congruent triangle. Is if we have a line here, and then we compare this triangle with this triangle. These two triangles, they both have right angle, because we are talking about the distance from center, and then they have the equal distance. So right angle, hypotenuse, a pair of sine. So these two triangles is proved to be congruent. They are congruent triangle. Similar reason also apply for other different triangle here. So this triangle and this triangle are congruent. This triangle and this triangle are congruent. That's why the property is a little bit look like tangent of exterior point. All their angle will be bisect. This is 19 degree. This is 19 degree. Similarly, we find this angle called theta. This angle will be also theta. I give a name for this angle is fine, so this angle is also fine. Now we look at our target. What we want is this angle, angle QOR. So our target, angle QOR is equal to 180 degree minus theta together with phi. That's our target. And how do we get theta and phi? We can look at the big triangle, the whole triangle. So, gathering some information, 180 degree is equal to 38 degree plus 2 theta plus 2 phi. By this relation, we can make theta plus phi be the subjects. So, we go back to our target. Therefore, angle QOR is 180 degree minus 71 degree, and then which is 109 degree. Once again, about geometric questions, you have to be very sensitive for every information given. For every information given, most probably there are some implication behind, and then you have to identify. If you just look at AB, it's difficult for you to think what is related. The key point is you realize that AB is our chord. It is our chord. So that's why I brainstorm any properties about chord. And then I find out this one is equal distance. And if you don't understand the reason why we have tangent from exterior point property, then it's difficult for you to understand that we are considering these two triangles, this congruent triangle and this congruent triangles. So proving the theorem that you use when you're still in Form 4 and Form 5 is really meaningful.